there are three things that we look for when we are interviewing people. We look for three types of hearts. We look for a warrior's heart, somebody who exhibits a desire to excel, who acts with courage, who has the ability to persevere, who has innovation, wants to innovate and try new things. We look for a server's heart, an ability to put other people first, an ability to treat others with respect, and an ability to proactively serve the customer. And we also look for a fun-loving heart, a heart which has a lot of passion, a lot of joy, and does not take oneself too seriously. When we are talking to somebody and we see that the person has an ability or a desire to make oneself better, and for that the person has learned a new skill or has, whether relevant to the industry or not relevant to the industry, does not matter. As long as the person has shown an ability that the person wants to grow and wants to learn and wants to develop one's own self, that shows that the person has the right spirit. So everything gets counted. But if the person has just taken online courses to tick the box, we can make out. Because if the person says, I've done an online course on this, I will ask the person a few questions on that. And one can make out whether the person took it seriously or one was just doing it to tick the box and put it on the resume.
Right.
That does not go well. That shows that you basically were doing it just for the sake of doing it and you didn't mean to actually do it to enhance your own skills and your own knowledge. Now, all our questions, at least when we interview here and I interview, are put on this premise. And as long as the candidate fits into this, we have the person on board.
IIHM, International Institute of Hotel Management.